Tired of watching unskippable ads every time you open Twitch? In this guide, I'll show you how to block Twitch ads in 2025 using safe, working methods. No shady tools, no scams. First, let's be real. Twitch is aggressively pushing ads now, and traditional ad blockers don't always work. But there are still a few smart ways to minimize or block them. Here's how. Method 1. Use uBlock Origin with custom filters. Install uBlock Origin, not just any ad blocker, and update your filter lists. Then add Twitch-specific filters like /github.com/pixeltris/ad-solutions. This adds custom rules that block or mute Twitch ads without breaking the player. Method 2, use Twitch through a third-party player. Apps like twitchels.com or alternate player for twitch.tv let you watch any stream with way fewer ads, or none at all. Just copy the Twitch channel link, paste it into twitchels.com, and watch ad-free. Method 3, use Brave browser. The Brave browser has stronger built-in ad blocking than Chrome or Firefox. It's regularly updated and works well against Twitch's video and banner ads. Method 4, subscribe to Twitch Turbo. Okay, this one's not free, but Twitch Turbo removes all ads site-wide. If you watch Twitch every day, it may be worth the price for a smooth experience. Bonus tip, try using multi-stream platforms like Multistream.am or stream aggregation tools. Many of them strip out ads completely. Important, Twitch is constantly updating their ad system, so no method is 100% permanent. Check Reddit and GitHub for the latest filter updates if something stops working. And that's how you can block or skip Twitch ads in 2025. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no BS tech solutions.